Assalamu alaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Mahadi, and I'm here to present my article titled A Study on the Use of ChatGPT in UiTM Puncak Perdana, focusing on the College of Computing, Informatics, and Mathematics. My research aims to explore the integration of ChatGPT technologies within our educational framework, assess faculty and student perspectives, and identify the challenges and opportunities it presents. In short, my research topic overview may I summarize that ChatGPT's integration into educational practices offers a revolutionary approach to learning and teaching. However, its adoption comes with its own set of challenges and opportunities. This study is significant as it delves into our college members' attitudes, perceptions, and readiness towards ChatGPT, aiming to inform strategies for its effective integration. As a result of my reading from previous studies, I identified three main problems. The motivation behind this research arises from a lack of comprehensive understanding regarding the educational community's stance on ChatGPT. Previous studies, like those by Mugavi et al. 2024 and Garrell and Mayer 2023 and others, the motivation behind this research arises from a lack of comprehensive understanding regarding the educational community's stance on ChatGPT. Previous studies, like those by Mugavi et al. 2024 and Garrell and Mayer 2023, highlight the potential yet underline the necessity for a deeper exploration into the integration barriers and the supportive mechanisms required for success. Highlight the potential yet underline necessity for a deeper exploration into the integration barriers and the supportive mechanisms required for success by Schoenberger 2023. So, from that problem, I analyzed and made research questions and research objectives for this study, which all have three aspects. As I say, my research is guided by questions on how ChatGPT affects students' learning experiences, perceptions of learning outcomes, and the interrelationship between various educational aspects influenced by ChatGPT. The objectives are to evaluate, investigate, and understand these dynamics to enhance educational practices. Moving on to the literature review, I delve into several pivotal studies that lay the groundwork for understanding ChatGPT's role in education. Notably, studies by Moore et al. 2019 and Baidu Anu and Owusu Ansan 2023 highlight the benefits of AI in personalized learning and the challenges of integrating such technologies in educational settings. However, I have seen a critical gap exists in these explorations, and the specific impact of ChatGPT within the context of computing and informatics education has not been extensively studied, particularly in our institution. This gap underscores the necessity of our research, aiming to fill this void by assessing ChatGPT's effectiveness in enhancing teaching, learning, and accessibility in the College of Computing, Informatics, and Mathematics at UiTM Puncak Perdana. Besides that, I also take an amount of theory and framework, and after I have read and tried to understand, I get the output with these theories and frameworks collectively provide a multifaceted understanding of ChatGPT's role in education. They emphasize the potential enhancements to learning and research, the need for ethical considerations, and the importance of a supportive organizational culture. As I move forward, integrating tools like ChatGPT will undoubtedly shape the future of education. So I use the past framework model to do my own theoretical research framework, but I reduce some variables to align with my research questions and objectives. So, back to my first research question. I have a question on how do students rate their learning experiences, performance, collaboration, group learning, critical thinking, and creativity. In my second research question, I have a question on how students perceive their learning outcome attainment. After that, on my third research question, I had an interrelationship between my first and second research questions. So that is my theoretical framework of my study. So, the first IV is learning experiences. Learning experiences refer to the various ways in which students interact with the content, the instructor, and each other. In the context of using ChatGPT, this might include engaging with the AI for understanding complex concepts, getting tutoring help, or even for coding assistance. Students use ChatGPT to simulate interactions with a teaching assistant, clarifying doubts post-lectures, which enhances their understanding. From that, I have made a hypothesis. There is a significant positive relationship between the quality of learning experiences facilitated by ChatGPT and the attainment of learning outcomes. Second IV is performance. Performance can be measured by the student's ability to demonstrate their understanding through tests, projects, or other assessments. With ChatGPT, students could improve their performance by receiving instant feedback on practice questions or drafts of their work. A student uses ChatGPT to practice programming problems and receives immediate feedback, which helps to improve their coding skills. So the hypothesis from that is there is a significant positive relationship between the enhanced academic performance through the use of ChatGPT and the attainment of learning outcomes. Third IV, collaboration. Collaboration is crucial in computing and informatics education. ChatGPT might be used as a tool for fostering collaborative discussions or as a mediator in collaborative tasks. Students collaborate on a software development project by using ChatGPT as a resource for code review or to get explanations for complex algorithms. The hypothesis can happen. There is a significant positive relationship between the level of collaboration among students using ChatGPT and the attainment of learning outcomes. Fourth is group learning. Group learning involves students working together to understand concepts. ChatGPT can facilitate group learning by providing a platform for discussion and exploration of ideas. A study group uses ChatGPT to query different approaches to solve a mathematical problem, fostering a deeper understanding through discussion. Hypothesis: there is a significant positive relationship between group learning activities supported by ChatGPT and the attainment of learning outcomes. The fifth IV is critical thinking. Critical thinking is a core skill, especially in STEM fields. ChatGPT can challenge students to think critically by posing questions or presenting counterarguments to their solutions. A student presents a solution to a problem in ChatGPT, and the AI challenges them to consider other factors or potential errors, enhancing their critical thinking skills. From that, the R hypothesis can occur when there is a significant positive relationship between the development of critical thinking through interactions with ChatGPT and the attainment of learning outcomes. The last IV is creativity. In the context of computing and mathematics, creativity might involve innovative problem solving or the ability to think outside the box. ChatGPT can stimulate creativity by offering diverse perspectives or suggesting alternative methods to approach a problem. So, a student uses ChatGPT to explore various ways to visualize data for a project, which sparks a novel and more effective solution. Therefore, it is hypothesized that there is a significant positive relationship between the enhancement of creativity through the use of ChatGPT and the attainment of learning outcomes. In DV, I have student learning outcomes. Learning outcome attainment indicates how much understudies have met or surpassed the laid out instructive goals or skills toward finishing an informative period. For example, ChatGPT can offer customized learning experiences, help with performance by giving quick input, work with collaboration through conversation prompts, support group learning by producing thoughts or summing up group choices, improve critical thinking by testing understudies with questions, and invigorate creativity by offering different points of view or solutions. So, building upon this example, this study hypothesizes that there is a significant positive relationship between student perception of the impact of ChatGPT on their learning outcome attainment. Additionally, the connection between learning experience, performance, collaboration, group learning, critical thinking, and creativity isn't simply added substance yet multiplicative in improving learning outcomes. A group of understudies dealing with a task at UiTM Puncak Perdana utilizes ChatGPT to work with their work. They have different learning experiences as they draw in with the substance, learning experiences, keep tabs on their development through standard tests, performance, team up by means of a common stage where ChatGPT gives prompts, collaboration, cooperate in a review group where ChatGPT sums up central issues, group learning, participate in banters over ChatGPT produced subjects, critical thinking, and use ChatGPT to assist them with concocting a remarkable undertaking thought, creativity. Their last undertaking gets good grades, displaying the positive connection between these interrelated parts and learning outcome attainment. So, the situation should be hypothesized. There is a significant positive relationship between the interrelationship on learning experience, performance, collaboration, group learning, critical thinking, and creativity by learning outcome attainment. So, from this framework, that is 8 hypotheses that I have predicted. On my research methodology. My research will follow a quantitative paradigm to gather and analyze numerical data systematically. This approach is suitable for measuring the impact of ChatGPT integration on specific variables, such as understanding coding concepts, perceptions of usefulness, addressing challenging areas, and confidence motivation. My study will be conducted at UiTM Puncak Perdana for the College of Computing, Informatics, and Media students. The setting will include physical classrooms and virtual learning environments to capture diverse learning contexts. The target population includes students enrolled at UiTM Puncak Perdana. This population represents the College of Computing, Informatics, and Media, making it directly relevant to the study's objectives. The unit of analysis for this study, I will be individual students. Data will be collected and analyzed at the student level to assess the impact of ChatGPT on their understanding, perceptions, addressing challenges, and confidence-touch motivation in programming language learning. Through this, a stratified random sampling technique will be employed. Educational institutions will be stratified based on academic level, institution type, and programming course type. Random samples will then be selected from each stratum to ensure a representative and diverse participant pool. In data collection technique, I use a G-form link will be distributed to students to collect data on their perceptions of the usefulness and effectiveness of ChatGPT. After that, the data will be analyzed using statistical methods I learned in class, such as SPSS.
In my latest exploration, I dive into the demographics of 324 information management students, unveiling a gender split of 42.3% men to 57.7% women. Remarkably, 96.3% fall within the 22-25 age bracket, highlighting a concentrated age group. Their academic pursuits span across library and information management, information system management, records management, resource center management, and information content management. This demographic study not only reflects the field's diversity, but also its dynamic academic interests, setting the stage for future innovations in information management. Recent studies have shown ChatGPT's significant impact on the learning experience, boasting an impressive average improvement rating of 4.35 out of 5. Equally notable is the engagement score, averaging 4.42, with minimal variability as indicated by standard deviations of 0.68 and 0.72, respectively. These statistics not only highlight ChatGPT's effectiveness in enriching educational experiences, but also underscore its role in fostering a more engaging learning environment. In the evolving landscape of education, ChatGPT emerges as a pivotal tool, notably enhancing academic performance. A study reveals students experiencing a score improvement of at least 4.28, alongside a notable boost in subject comprehension, scoring a minimum of 4.33. These statistics, with standard deviations of 0.75 and 0.70 respectively, underscore ChatGPT's role in not just elevating grades, but also deepening understanding, marking a significant stride in educational technology's contribution to academic success. ChatGPT has transformed the way students collaborate on group projects, achieving an impressive average score of 4.38 in enhancing project outcomes. Equally, it has boosted peer collaboration, with a score of 4.41, demonstrating its effectiveness in promoting teamwork. This AI tool not only aids in the distribution of tasks, but also facilitates seamless communication among team members, making it an indispensable asset in educational settings for fostering cooperative learning and improving group dynamics. ChatGPT's impact extends beyond just providing information. It significantly enhances cognitive skills. With an average rating of 4.40 in stimulating critical thinking and 4.45 in promoting creative problem-solving abilities, ChatGPT proves to be a powerful tool for intellectual and creative enhancement. Its ability to challenge and engage minds showcases its potential as an indispensable asset in fostering a new era of critical and creative thinkers in the learning of this college. In our journey to improve the quality of education, I investigated the reliability of key educational constructs, including learning experience, achievement, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Using Cronbach's alpha, a measure of internal consistency, we found all constructs showed high reliability, with scores ranging from 0.85 to 0.89. This indicates strong internal consistency within each construct, reassuring us of the robustness and reliability of our educational framework. Such insights are essential for advancing educational strategies and outcomes. My comprehensive study sheds light on the pivotal factors influencing learning outcomes. From learning experiences to the innovative use of ChatGPT, each element was found to significantly enhance academic success, as evidenced by strong R values and conclusive P values. This underscores the importance of integrating varied learning strategies and tools in educational settings to not only foster critical thinking and creativity, but to also elevate overall learning outcomes. I dive into the histogram analysis of user satisfaction among 324 individuals. With a mean score of 3.18E14, this visual representation uncovers the diverse levels of satisfaction across users. Although the standard deviation remains unspecified, the histogram offers a clear picture of how satisfaction scores are spread, highlighting key insights into user experiences and expectations. This analysis is crucial for businesses aiming to gauge and enhance customer satisfaction effectively. Therefore, all these hypotheses were successfully accepted. Discover how user-friendly educational platforms transform learning for females aged 22-25, primarily bachelor's degree students. My study highlights the platform's significant positive effects, including enhanced learning experiences, increased productivity, and improved social and cognitive skills. Features like intelligent tutoring and adaptive personalized learning have been crucial in improving performance, collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, and group learning, all without the need for additional training. These platforms are not just tools but catalysts for competency enhancement across various fields, effectively addressing collaborative learning management challenges.